that's the way they are. They're healers, so they just want everybody.
What kind of dog is it?
She's an Australian stumpy tail cattle dog, so she doesn't have a tail. She likes you, Foom.
Yeah, Foom. She likes you, Foom. How old would you guess she is then?
Oh, 7.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
cool.
we got her when she was 4, and this will be.
Oh, you're a lucky doggy too, Delilah.
Yeah, she's spoiled rotten. But hey, well, Alan did more running around than he's done in his whole career, just trying to get out of the way of danger. Yogi, those guys didn't support him.
Not at all, none. They were after They never did figure out if there was a red dog or a blitz or...
You know what? Because I see that they have green eyes.
Yeah.
They had him covered.
How they can become the green eyes?
No,
3 interceptions. Did he throw 3?
One thing we have to agree upon, the best team won that game.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe
There's
camera.
Those guys kicked some ass.
They're good.
Oh.
You're probably kind of a Brady fan because of your connections to Boston. I'm speculating that I'm for KC.
Yeah.
Especially with the home team advantage.
Stand up. Can you stand up?
Who expected them to be in the Super Bowl? But it still is a...
Oh, I see.
You know, when Benson and I grew up here, they dump them into special schools, to be honest. Yeah. Instead of letting them invade us, you know, the regular schools, they put them all at Chaplin. Do you remember where Chaplin was?
Oh, yeah, lots of Down syndrome kids.
Yeah,
lots.
it was sadly sick.
But now they're in the school. Down syndrome kids.
Now they're right.
They're in Pals, called Pals program.
Hey, you know, I've been on the road and I've had some coffee. Do you mind if I use your... I hate to ask, John.
Why?
Well, because you're not supposed to use people's breath.
You know, our house is your house, Yogi.
Johnny, that's my... There's my bed.
Oh,
Well,
No.
could be if it's just you.
so we can move in here to stay?
No, we're staying
But
at
if
Billy's
it's the 2 of
tonight.
you, we'll come up
We're
with
staying
something
at
else.
Billy's tonight.
They have a big air mattress.
We can come up
Oh,
with
we're not
something.
fixing for the rest teasing anyway. Okay, where are we going?
Right there.
Right.
So we can move it here to stay, huh?
Yeah.